In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add text behind an image using Canva. First, launch your Canva, then start by adding an image to your Canva canvas. For this guide, I'm going to use this one image. Once it's added, resize it to fill the entire canvas and reposition it as needed. Next, add a text element and type in the text you want. Choose a strong font for the bold look. Then you can change the color, likewise add some effects to the text. Then increase the font of the size and position the text where you want to appear on the image. Now you'll need to duplicate this image. For that, right click on the image, then select the option duplicate. Then use the background remover for this image. Once the background is gone, you'll need to adjust the duplicate image to align perfectly with the original. If needed, you can tweak the text position slightly to make sure everything looks just right. And that's it. We have created a clean and professional text behind image design. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.